Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Vada Curry emerged from humble innovation, turning leftover fritters into a beloved flavorful curry. Born in Saidapet, Chennai Vada Curry is a beloved South Indian specialty often enjoyed as a hearty side dish with set dosa, idli or puri. Today, let's recreate this unbeatable breakfast combo at home. First, let's prepare this spicy, flavorful and delicious Vada Curry. To a bowl, add 200 grams of chana dal and wash it well. To this, add 3 red chilies, a teaspoon of fennel seeds, pour enough water and soak it for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, strain the soaked dal and add it to the mixer jar. Grind the soaked dal a bit coarsely. Do not grind it to a fine paste. You can open the jar at intervals for a proper grind. Usually vada curry is made using vadas. In this recipe, we are not going to use the vadas. It's going to be a little different, so let's get started. Take a wide pan, heat it and add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. Now add the ground mixture and roast it on medium heat until it becomes nice and crumbly. Cook the mixture till it becomes completely dry. Since I have not added any salt while grinding the mixture, I am adding a little now. Make sure you cook the mixture well. Let me know in what style you prepare your vada curries at home in the comment section below. Wow, this smells so good. This is the most simple way to do the vada curry rather than making the vadas and processing them. Once the mixture becomes dry and crumbly, turn off the stove and transfer the mixture and keep it aside. Now let's prepare the vada curry. To a wide pan, add about 3 tablespoons of oil. Next, add the whole spices like 2 bay leaves, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, fennel seeds and star anise and saute them well. Next, I'm adding 2 large onions finely chopped. Let the onions cook well for about 2 minutes. Next, add the green chilies and saute. Now, if you prefer less spice, you can reduce the number of green chilies. The onions have turned to a nice golden color. At this time, add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and a few curry leaves. Also, add 2 medium-sized tomatoes finely chopped and saute everything well. Cook the tomatoes till they become a little mushy. Now add a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Mix everything completely so it's all well combined. At this point, I'm just adding a little water to cook the masala. Now add 2 more cups of water and let it cook for a few minutes. When the water starts boiling, add the dal mixture and give it all a nice mix. Let the mixture absorb the water slowly. Once it starts to become thick, close the pan with the lid and let it cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the lid. Wow, the aroma is just incredible. The dal is cooked beautifully and it's all well combined with the masala. Finally, finish off by adding some chopped coriander leaves. This aromatic Chennai Vada Curry is ready to be served nice and hot. If the curry becomes a little thick and cold at the time of serving, just make sure to add a little bit of water and heat it again. Now carefully transfer the curry to a bowl. The Vada Curry has come out perfectly. Now to pair with the vada curry, let's start making the soft and spongy set dosas. First, I'm adding a cup of raw rice to a bowl. This is a 250 ml cup measurement. Add a quarter cup of urud dal and a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Pour some water and wash them well about 2 to 3 times. Now pour some water and let the mixture soak in the water for 3 hours. Take another bowl and add a quarter cup of flattened rice in it. Pour water on it and rinse it nicely. After washing again, pour some more water and let it soak for about half an hour. After 3 hours, add the soaked mixture of raw rice, urud dal and fenugreek seeds to the mixer jar. Next, I'm adding the soaked flattened rice along with the water to the mixer jar. It's time to grind the soaked ingredients into a batter. Once the mixture is ground to a nice smooth batter consistency, transfer it to a bowl. Add a teaspoon of salt and mix it well. You can let it ferment overnight for the next day's breakfast. Make sure that the batter is in a pouring consistency. Let the batter ferment for about 8 hours. After 8 hours, the batter has turned to a nice frothy one. Give the batter a nice mix. To this, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of salt. Let me share a little inspiration behind adding turmeric powder. Recently, I tried a dosa at a restaurant where they used turmeric for its vibrant color and subtle flavor. It's an option but delightful addition to your home-cooked dosas. Okay, now the batter for the dosa is ready. Let's begin to prepare the dosas. Take a dosa pan and heat it. Once heated, pour a ladle of dosa batter to it and spread it evenly. Make sure that the dosa is thick so that it turns out soft and spongy. Pour a little amount of ghee or oil around the dosa. Now I'm closing the pan for about 30 to 40 seconds. Let me know in the comment section whether you like spongy, soft dosas or crispy dosas. I will add some of my dosa recipes in the description so that you can give them a try too. Now flip the dosa to the other side and let it cook. Lower the flame. After 20 seconds, take it out of the pan slowly. Wow, the fluffy set dosa is ready. Set dosa and vada curry makes the best combo. You can enjoy these soft and spongy dosas with this delicious vada curry by the side. The soft golden dosa paired with that spicy, flavor-packed vada curry, it's a match made in foodie heaven. Yummy, just too good. Do enjoy this unbeatable breakfast combo and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our homecookingshow.in website. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.